Hi everyone. Have you had enough of dump cakes yet? Me either. Today we're going to be doing a pina colada dump cake. What all do we need for our pina colada dump cake? 1/2 cup unsalted butter melted, 1/3 cup spiced rum, 2 pounds frozen pineapple chunks. This is a 3-pound bag, so I'll be using 2/3 of it. 1 box yellow cake mix, 2 cups sweetened coconut flakes, 1/2 cup or 1 stick unsalted butter cubed, and then you can garnish it with vanilla ice cream, whipped cream, or maraschino cherries, and those 3 are optional. So let's begin. So the first thing you want to do is preheat the oven to 350. So you want to take a 9x13 pan, dump in your 1/2 cup melted butter, your 1/3 cup spiced rum, and your 2 pounds of frozen pineapple chunks. And mix that all together. Now your butter may freeze a little bit when it gets mixed with the frozen pineapple, but it will thaw out again when it goes into the oven. Just make sure that you have stirred it all the best you can. And then smooth it out so we can go ahead and add the cake mix next. And next we're going to take our cake mix and sprinkle it evenly all over the pineapples. Then take your 2 cups of shredded sweetened coconut and sprinkle it on top of the cake mix. And try to make it even and all the way covering the cake mix. All right, so that looks pretty good. And then we'll take our 1 stick of butter that is cut into cubes and evenly place it on top of the coconut. Then go ahead and put it in a 350-degree oven for 50 to 60 minutes until the coconut is toasted brown and the mix is done. If the coconut starts to burn before the cook time is over with, go ahead and cover it with aluminum foil for the rest of the cook time. All right, so the coconut is browning and close to burning, but the cake is not done yet. So I'm going to go ahead and put some aluminum foil on it. All right, so it is fresh out of the oven. I'm going to go ahead and let it cool for a few minutes, and then we'll get it dished up and do a taste test. All right, so here is the Pina Colada Dump cake, and we garnished it with vanilla ice cream and a maraschino cherry.
Now what is this?
Pina Colada Dump cake.
Dump cake, okay. Excuse me. Is there pineapple in it?
Yes.
Okay. I really like this. Well, pineapple and coconut are two of my favorites, so.
Also has spicy rum in it.
Spicy rum, okay. I like this one a lot.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.